Okay, let's do problem A7 to live similar trees. And in this question, we have to determine if two binary trees have the same leaves. And the order matters, so that example 1, they appear in the same order, so we return true. But in example 2, the order is different, therefore we return false. So we do need a list of integer for that contains leaves of each tree, and it is quite perfect because array list will return false even though they contain the same value, but the order is different. So I'm going to call it a leaves equals new array list, and a list of integer b leaves equals new array list. And we can do return a leaves dot equals b leaves. Now we do need logic that can iteratively collect the leaves of each tree. So we can say collect leaves. I'm going to put the first tree in and then a leaves into it, and then I can put root 2, the second tree, and then b leaves. Now let's define this method private, because we're going to directly add the values into a leaves. We don't need to have any return value. And then the input will be tree node, and then list of integer. So so we need to get the value of each leaf and then add into these leaves. So we need an if statement that can detect the leaf. So leaf is by definition the one that does not have any child nodes, so it means node.left is equal to null and node.right is equal to null. In that case, we can simply do leaves dot add the value of node. And then let's see. So we put root 1, which is 3, into collect leaves, and then we if statement, if condition doesn't satisfy, so we need to collect leaves for both of them. So that means we need to collect leaves, iteratively call this method, will be node.left, then leaves, and then collect leaves node.right, and then leaves. So because we are getting the left one first, it will come to here, and then we'll get the left one. So it will be iteratively getting left to right. But there's one issue with this function here, because we reach the end of we reach the leaf, but we're still calling this method. To prevent that happening, we can do return. Also, there can be a scenario when we're given a root that only has one leaf. For example, this one has 2 leaves, but if it does not have the right one, what's going to happen is in this line, one node will be 1 node, so we're putting null as node. So node.left will so this if statement will throw an error. So we can have if node equals null, we don't need to do anything. We can just simply return. So we can prevent any execution of these lines. Okay, let's submit. Okay, that's it.